3 seconds. 3 seconds. Yummy. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Takoyaki, which is like fried octopus balls. Hands here. Oh, it's nice and burning hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys, this is everything I got going on. I got takoyaki. You're supposed to just eat this with your hands, so there's no eating utensils. So let's. Ooh, look, you guys. Okay, I've got my takoyaki. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. There's a sports stadium over there, so you hear like sports happening. But you guys, I'm at that is the Olympic Stadium where the 2020 Olympics is gonna be held here in Tokyo. This is so cool. There's the Olympic sign. I don't know. Okay, you guys, I found an area with some pretty cool vending machines because I'm doing the 24-hour vending machine challenge. So let's see what we got here. Okay. This one we've got corn soup, almond milk, another type of soup. We've got coffees, cow piss. Ooh, we've got yogurt with coconut chunks in it. Okay, I don't know what to start off with. I definitely need a drink, so I think I'm gonna get maybe cow piss. Okay, so I'm gonna get this yogurt drink. Sounds delicious. And then I'm gonna get right here. Yummy! Okay, let's see what else. There's hot soup. That sounds good, but I think I'm gonna look at food. Ooh, we've got food. Okay, they've got takoyaki, which is like fried octopus balls, hot dogs, a chicken sandwich. Love these. It's like a rice onigiri. I think, and french fries. I think I want the octopus balls, which is called takoyaki. So that's, oh, it's 3. Hold on. Okay. Let's do that. And I want takoyaki. Ooh. It might change. Eek. Counts down, it'll be ready. So we've got 94 seconds. It's got to heat it up for me. This is so cool. It's called Hot Menu 24-Hour Casual Frozen Foods. I want to get something else too. Maybe, oh my gosh, there's 30 seconds left and it's starting to smell really good right here. Like it's actually being cooked. Like it smells so good as they're heating up the food. And I'm gonna get the onigiri as well, or the rice. Yay, she's done. Yummy. Uh-oh, 2 hands here. Oh, it's nice and burning hot. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's so hot. Okay. I'm also gonna get 3, 4, and then I'm gonna get this. I'm just not gonna eat the meat. Get my change. There is like a track meet going on, so it's quite busy out here, so you can see. But this is such a good idea, like to have, like this is a sports area where like track meets and like baseball games and stuff like that goes on. This makes it like really simple. You can get nice, delicious hot food. Well, I don't know if it's delicious yet. We'll find that out. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Menu. Foods. Okay. You guys, over here they have ice cream. Oh my. Ice cream. Ooh, look you guys. Okay, which ice cream do I want? This is heaven. You guys know I have to go for the green tea, or should I get caramel? I'll get green tea. Stick with my favorites. You guys, my hands are so full, but okay. I got my green tea ice cream. Ooh. Oh, it's so tiny. That's a good size though. Yum. Okay, before I sit down and eat, I just want to show you guys one more time how many rows of vending machine there are. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. And there is a game going on over there. Okay, so you guys, this is everything I got going on. I got takoyaki. I got like a yogurt coconut drink. I got green tea ice cream. I'll put that right here. I got barley tea, unsweetened. And I got gomaku onigiri. So I'm so excited. Let's try this stuff. First thing I'm looking at is this takoyaki. So cute. I'm sitting in like a kids park with a bunch of kids riding bikes. Hanging out with the kitties today. Okay. Ooh, okay. So they give you seasoning and little toothpicks to pick up the takoyaki. Okay, so I got my toothpick. I've got my takoyaki. Ooh, it smells so good. The sauce is on the bottom. Let's see how this tastes. Let's eat this. Mmm. You guys, it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. I taste onion. Perfect amount of chew. It's hard to explain what takoyaki tastes like. This is honestly so good. So delicious on like a cold day. If I were about to go watch a game, this would be the perfect like game snack. These little kids are so cute. It was 370 yen, which is like $3 US. You know what? This is cow piss. You guys, hold on. I don't taste any coconut chunks. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. It's smooth and it tastes like cow piss with a hint of coconut. Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. I've always seen this drink around Tokyo, around Japan, but I never ever thought of getting it. It's so tasty. I'm an unsweetened tea girl and a water girl, so I'll always stick to unsweetened tea and water, but this is so refreshing. Okay, let's break open the onigiri. Oh, you guys, this smells so fresh. You would never think this came out of a vending machine. Okay. You're supposed to just eat this with your hands, so there's no eating utensils, so let's do this. That's so good. You guys would never think this came out of a vending. Oh, look how creamy that looks. Hold on, let me get it focused. Oh, it looks so creamy and delicious. Green tea, guys, it's so delicious, so creamy, so rich at the same time. Wow, it's delicious, and it's one of those you keep pushing to eat. I always have disinfectant wipes on me. It kills 99% of germs. Always. And on my hands, because I know people are gonna say, gross, wash your hands. I did. Okay, well, kind of the equivalent. Okay, I'm gonna get up and head back towards Harajuku. I'm a bit far, but I need to get some things out there anyways, so maybe I'll find some vending machines for dinner or lunch. Oh my gosh, you guys hear that? That crowd is going crazy. Man, I wish I was watching the game. Maybe I could just buy a ticket. But it's already started. So a lot of them are ice cream vending machines. So I picked up ice cream mochi and or mochi ice cream. These are so good. I've had them before. Ooh. Okay, focus on the mochi. I just poked 2 holes in it. Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and gooey. It's starting to melt, so it's yapping my mouth so much. Now let's eat this. It's so crazy. It tastes like milk tea with boba. Alrighty, you guys, it is late and I just left my hotel and I'm gonna go look for a vending machine to see if I can find, oh, I see one over here, to see if I can find soup and or some green tea. It's mainly coffee. It's got barley tea again. Alright guys, I found another one. Let's see what this one has. Ugh. More coffee. Where's the soup? Found one with corn soup. 120 right here. Please. And it's, oh, it's burning hot. If you guys come to Tokyo and you're looking for something to try in the vending machine, highly recommend this soup. You can see I'm chewing. There's actual